So IDS joining us, Albuquerque, New Mexico.
All right. Well, hey, thank you all, and thank you, Christoph, for your assistance with all this. My name is Dov Phillips, sales manager here for Integrated Deposition Solutions, or more informally IDS. We build and sell aerosol printers for a variety of different markets. We sell both print heads that can be integrated onto various motion platforms and complete systems. So today we're going to be talking a little bit about multi-material and multi-layer deposition using the NanoJet Aerosol Print system. And to begin with, let's talk a little bit about the actual agenda for this short presentation. So for those of you who may not be aware, I'll cover a little bit of the overview of NanoJet Aerosol Printing process attributes that are achievable with our system. We'll talk a little bit about multi-material deposition that we've done recently with our new Gen 2 platform. Talk a little bit then after that about our Gen 1 dual material capabilities, which is a fairly kind of unique system in both aerosol printing and kind of at large. And then close out with just a short discussion of the actual systems that we provide, these kind of configurations that are available, and how they can be kind of implemented and scaled. So broadly, aerosol printing, the way our system works is we use an ultrasonic atomizer to create an aerosol of some type of material. And these materials can range from conductors, polymers, dielectrics, insulators, adhesives, kind of a broad range. Some advantages of aerosol printing in general is that large standoff distance that we're able to achieve. Our printing method is completely non-contact, so we can actually print all the way up to about 10 millimeters away from the surface of a substrate, which allows us to really take advantage of printing onto non-planar surfaces without the need to do kind of overly complicated surface mapping or substrate handling. The new system that's shown here is our Gen 2 platform. So this is really kind of the first industry-ready aerosol print system. We have demonstrated duration printing with this system of up to 30 hours continuously without with just very minor changes in things like deposition volume, trace widths, and things like that. The features that we can achieve range from around 15 microns in line widths all the way up to about 2 millimeters. And then for the thickness that we can achieve with a single trace, we can actually print quite thin traces, so down to 100 nanometers or even less. And then in that same single pass, if we have like a really strong output of that aerosol, we can see that spike all the way up to 5 to 10 microns per pass. So this is all well controlled by things like the atomizer voltage, speed that you're printing with, and then of course just the material quality that's in there, and our ability to kind of properly and thoroughly kind of create an aerosol from that material. And then the actual system itself does work well on multi-axis platforms. So it has a tilt range of anywhere from around 10-15 degrees all the way up to 45 degrees in certain applications. There are some limitations to the materials that we can print, so I'll just kind of try to list those out right now. So we do have a maximum viscosity of around 10 centipoise. It is very easy for us to dilute thicker materials. We've done demonstrations recently where we had to actually print pastes made of silicone. And a lot of our kind of go-to inks might have a native viscosity of 300 or so centipoise. For those, it's very